How to take mid-upper arm circumference. Mid-upper arm circumference or MUAC is an important measurement to determine nutritional status and identification of severe acute malnutrition in children. It is taken by non-stretchable tape or using 3-colored tape which has marking on it. 3-colored tape which has a window slit can be wrapped around the child's arm and reading can be recorded to nearest 0.1 cm. The MUAC is measured on the left arm. Now let us see steps to take MUAC. Identify the acromion on the left arm by palpating the bony prominence which extends off the collarbone to the shoulder. If possible, gently move their arm up and down to locate the acromion prominence exactly and mark a point on the tip of the bone. Now, fold the hand to 90 degrees so that the palm of the child is facing up. Mark a point on the tip of the elbow, which is also called olecranon process. Keep the zero of the tape to the acromion point and extend tape down the posterior surface of the arm to the tip of the bony part of the mid-elbow. Identify the midpoint by dividing the upper arm length into half. Hold the tape upright and mark the horizontal point at the midpoint. Now, bring the child hand straight and wrap the tape by overlapping the two ends around the midpoint. While taking MUAC, ensure the tension of the tape should not be too tight or too loose. Take the reading to nearest 0.1 cm and record on the case recording form immediately.